Want to run a successful email campaign with Mailchimp? You're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you step by step how to use Mailchimp to boost your email marketing and how you can access this software for free using a special offer in the description below. First things first, Mailchimp is a powerful tool for running email campaigns, but to get the best results, you need to set up the right strategy. So let's dive into the essential steps you need to know. The first thing you want to do is set up a clean, organized email list. A clean list means fewer bounces and better engagement. You can import your contacts easily into Mailchimp, and it even helps you segment your audience based on their behavior, interests, or location. This segmentation allows you to send the right message to the right people, which is key to any successful email campaign. Next thing you'll need to do is create a compelling email campaign. You can start by using Mailchimp's pre-designed templates that look great on any device. The best part is you don't need any coding skills to customize them. You just drag and drop elements like images, buttons, and text, making your emails professional and eye-catching in no time. The third thing you want to focus on is creating a subject line that grabs attention. A great subject line can make or break your email campaign. It needs to be short, to the point, and spark curiosity. A good rule of thumb is to make it personal. Mailchimp allows you to insert the recipient's name or other personalized details to make your emails stand out in a crowded inbox. Now, let's talk about automation. The fourth thing to do is set up automated email workflows. With Mailchimp, you can set up welcome emails, birthday emails, or even post-purchase follow-ups, all of which are automated. This helps keep your audience engaged and builds a stronger relationship with them over time. Next, let's dive into analytics. The fifth thing you need to focus on is tracking your performance. Mailchimp provides detailed reports on open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and more. These insights are crucial for tweaking your strategy and improving future campaigns. By analyzing these reports, you can find out what works and what doesn't, and adjust your content accordingly. And finally, don't forget to B-test your emails. The sixth thing you can do is split test different subject lines, images, or content to see what resonates most with your audience. Mailchimp makes it easy to A/B test with just a few clicks, helping you find the most effective approach for your campaigns. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to run a successful email campaign with Mailchimp that engages your audience, drives conversions, and helps grow your business. And just before you go, remember, you can try Mailchimp for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below, where we've also included an exclusive extended trial for you. You don't want to miss out on that. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out that free trial and take your email marketing to the next level with Mailchimp.